smoking and texting right now. And on my Facebook. Yeah. Okay. Okay, motherfucker, bring the beat back. Bad bitch, leggings and heels. Where she at? Keep about an ounce of good kush. I needs that. Talk her out of clothes. 15 minutes, I'll be back. And you should already know what this is, dawg. 2011, I'm about to kill this year. And the world is my stage. They done let a motherfucking grade A beast up out his cage. What you want? Is it the money? Is it the cars? You think it's funny, but when it's about money, you ain't talking about nothing. Cause I got stacks on racks, and I be stunting. Listen here, baby girl, them other goofies be frontin'. They'll treat you like they girl, but I'ma treat you like a woman. I'm talking about Monday to Lambo, Tuesday to Range, bitch. Different car, different day, I be on the same shit. And I need a bad bitch that's on the same shit. And I really like to lead with the bitch I came with. So if you on your solo shit, girl, it's nothing to me. Cause I can tell you now, there is nothing for free. I'm comfortably rolling kush blunts while you smoking the other ones. I know I got plenty bad bitches, don't worry about the other ones. I'm only shooting the pistol God gave me, there's no other guns. If you don't wanna fuck with me, but a girl, I bet they love them some. Of the kid, pardon me, I be on some of the other shit the other niggas coming with, but they can't do not what I did. You got a life, so you only gotta live it once. But baby girl, once you coming and shaking bad, I get it done. After that, back to doing me, running these streets like I'm supposed to. Hope that you not thinking about now, baby girl, I owe you. Before we got in this rendezvous, baby girl, yes, I told you. Now I'm back out on tour, repping my town on these Pro Tools. And it was fun while it lasted. You calling me a bastard, but I bet you change your mind when I buy you that pink Aston. My life is like a movie, no director, no casting, and my name's Freaky Low.
Thanks for asking, I'm gone.